Hi guys, Jen here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a fidget spinner. It's really easy. So I'm going to go back to my room and I'm going to show you guys how to clean your fidget spinner, or if you have a fidget spinner. But if you don't have a fidget spinner, just go to that subscribe button, turn on the little link, and hit that big thumbs up. That'd mean a lot to me, even if you don't care about this. But those of you who do want to clean your fidget spinner, this is how you do it. Okay, so first you get your fidget spinner, obviously. Then get some alcohol. It can be any type of alcohol. I chose nail remover. Second, you're going to need at least two, don't know what these, I forgot what these are called. Can you put those down below if you guys know what those are called? But you'll need two of these at least. You'll need alcohol, and you'll need your fidget spinner. Okay. So, let's get started. How am I gonna put you guys like this? Hold on. No. This is hard. Hold on. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see with. Hold on. Let's do that. Okay, so it's a little hard to see. But you're going to need two cotton swabs. There we go, cotton swabs. You're going to need two cotton swabs. You're going to need your fidget spinner. And you're going to need some alcohol. Just in case, if you guys are like daydreaming or anything, I'm going over this. So, open your alcohol. Make sure it's open. Whew, that's strong. Okay. Then dip your cotton swab into your alcohol and make sure that it's all nice and wet. And then get your fidget spinner and just go between right here. Go like that. And just keep cleaning. Just do that. Okay, so I got one wheel done. So one wheel is nice and perfect, just to make sure I get in those little ears and get that nice and clean. So one of them is done. So now, do the other one. And how do you know in case you spin it? Well, you don't know. That's the thing, it's fun. You just clean it. And if your thing starts to get dry, which it won't, just dip it in. And the best thing about fidget spinners is that they always stay shiny. But the bad thing is that if you smell too much of this, you're gonna get serious nose issues. So make sure you get into all those nooks and crannies. This is my only fidget spinner. I'm getting a few others in the next few days because it's my birthday in the next few weeks. So I get some early birthday presents. It's going to be fun to open them. And yes, I'm going to be doing a haul. Don't worry about that. And make sure you comment and down below that what you want me to show you guys, or what you guys want to see, or if you guys want me to do something, because me and my friend Kaylin and Chloe and all my other friends, we're going to be going to a trampoline park soon. So comment down below of what you want us to do afterwards, or if you guys want to do something fun, or if you guys want to see us do something, or like do a challenge or something. Because we haven't done an Orbeez challenge in a long time, because I threw out all my Orbeez just because they were starting to stink. And mostly just because I was going on vacation with my, hold on. Ow. I'm good. My fidget spinner is still spinning. Ugh. No, to yourself. Don't try this. Ow. Okay, I'm good. I'll make sure to edit that out. Alright guys, well, make sure you guys clean your center. And there you go. My fidget spinner is all clean. So I hope you guys have the best day of your lives. Love you guys.